Hello and welcome! Today, we'll explore the best electric mixers that blend practicality and style in your kitchen. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, there's a mixer here for you. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your cooking needs. Number 5. Kitchen-in-the-Box Quart Stand Mixer. Compact and budget-friendly, the Kitchen-in-the-Box 3.2-quart stand mixer is ideal for small kitchens or casual bakers. Weighing under 7 pounds, it's easy to store and features a modest 3.2-quart stainless steel bowl perfect for smaller recipes. This mixer offers 6 speeds powered by a 300-watt motor and includes essential attachments, an aluminum dough hook and flat beater, a stainless steel whisk, and a splash-proof lid. The tilt-head design and 4 anti-slip suction cups ensure stability during mixing. Customer reviews highlight its stylish look, functionality for small batches, and user-friendly design, though some find it less suited for heavier-duty tasks. As a reliable, lightweight mixer, it's a great choice for those looking for simplicity and ease. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 4-quart Electric Stand Mixer. Perfect for home chefs, the Hamilton Beach 4-quart electric stand mixer combines compact design with powerful performance. Its 300-watt motor and planetary mixing action tackle even thick doughs with ease. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl and removable splatter shield ensure tidy mixing, while the tilt-head design makes swapping attachments a breeze. With 3 versatile attachments: dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, and 7 speeds, it's built for versatility, whether you're whipping cream or folding delicate batter. Lightweight and easy to store, it's highly regarded for its functionality and ease of use, especially for smaller kitchens. While some find it best for lighter doughs, it's a solid and affordable option for everyday baking. Number 3. VIVOHOME 6-quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer. For style and functionality, the VIVOHOME 6-quart tilt-head stand mixer shines with its bright red exterior and high-performing 660W motor. This mixer's 10 speeds and pulse function handle a range of recipes, supported by stable metal gears and dual heat vents for quick cooling and long-lasting use. The 6-quart food-grade stainless steel bowl is sturdy and stays in place with suction cups on the base, perfect for family-sized batches. It comes equipped with a stainless steel wire whisk, Teflon-coated aluminum dough hook, mixing beater, and an egg separator. Users love its vibrant design and versatility, with many appreciating its ability to tackle everything from cookie dough to light batters, though some express varied opinions on its build quality. This stand mixer remains a colorful, reliable addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Aucma 6.5-quart Stand Mixer. The Aucma 6.5-quart stand mixer is a powerhouse in the kitchen, ready to take on everything from bread dough to light, airy whipped cream. With a strong 660-watt motor and 6 adjustable speeds plus a pulse function, it provides steady power for precise mixing, keeping noise to a low 76 dB. This mixer's spacious 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl, complete with dual handles and a splash guard, makes it easy to handle large recipes mess-free. Its tilt-head design gives simple access for attaching its essential accessories: a whisk, dough hook, and beater, all dishwasher safe. The stylish, glossy red finish with an LED power indicator brings charm to your kitchen, while anti-slip feet keep it steady. Many users rave about its performance and affordability, considering it a worthy rival to pricier brands. Number 1. KitchenAid 4.5-quart Stand Mixer. Known for its durability, the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt-head stand mixer K45S is a staple in many kitchens. Crafted from all metal, it boasts a 59-point planetary mixing action, thoroughly blending ingredients in its 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl large enough to handle up to 8 dozen cookies or knead dough for multiple loaves of bread. With 10 speeds, it's versatile enough for any recipe, from light meringues to tough bread doughs. The tilt-head design and head lock feature add convenience, while compatibility with over 15 optional attachments lets you expand its functionality for beyond mixing. Users praise its robust build and power, with many seeing it as an essential kitchen tool for any serious baker. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found the perfect electric mixer to enhance your culinary adventures. Remember, a great mixer can make all the difference in your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and product reviews. Happy mixing!